Do you wish you had only one grade for most materials? Do you also want a wide array of grade options using the same milling body?
Hi and Happy New Year. I'm Byron from Sumitomo Electric Carbide. Sumitomo offers WEZ with ACU 2500, which is our universal grade for most materials. But let's face it, sometimes we need something more wear resistant or tougher. That is why Sumitomo also offers other WEZ milling grades for most materials. Let's take a look. Sumitomo has developed other WEZ compatible grades to meet your milling requirements. For toughness, we offer ACP 3000 for steel and ACM 300 for high-temp alloys and stainless steel materials. We also offer ceramic grade T2500A for finishing applications in steel. If you need added wear resistance in cast and ductile iron, then we offer ACK 3000. We offer CVD coated grades as well in ACP 2000 and ACK 2000 for high-speed milling of steel and cast iron. ACU 2500 gives us a great balance between each material, making it our ideal general purpose grade for milling for most materials. Finally, we offer DLC coated grade DL2000 and uncoated H20 for non-ferrous materials. So there you have it, folks. Aside from ACU 2500, WEZ is also available in other grades as well. Whether you need added toughness or wear resistance, WEZ can certainly help you achieve improved tool life and overall performance. Please consider WEZ for your next milling application. Thank you.